Hey guys, gentlemen, how to convert Lite to PDF, and all you have to do is to first launch our Play Store if you have an Android, and if you have an iPhone, you're going to launch the Apple Store. But going to search for the Apple Store 365, and once you've installed it, we're going to tap on Open. Where you're going to go through your files, you're going to look for the works document. So I'm going to look for mine. As you can see, I have this one. So from there, after you've chosen, you're going to press on that Word document, and then you're going to tap on delete variants here on move. You're going to tap on open lid. Then you're going to tap on Microsoft. We're going to choose once. So you're going to wait for this to load. Then from here, you are going to tap on those key lines, and then you're going to tap on share as PDF. And from there, you're going to be able to put the Word document that you had already opened with the Microsoft 365 on PDF. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.